And also my country people, we don't carry ourselves land again on top Nigerian Pilot TV. As the remain Vincent Osei, and the program now still as the hot. Right away, make we begin the move inside Anambra State, where police for inside the state don't arrest one woman, Emilia Sunday, where we say she attempt to sell her 3-month-old baby boy for 150,000 naira at Balakbala. Chineke me. Emilia, away from Akwa Ibom State, enter police brigade for Ojoto, where they for Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. Now, so the 21-year-old woman can complain, saying her hardship make am want to sell the pikin make she for celebrate Christmas. Aye me temi, ba me. Police public relations officer inside the state, Haruna Mohammed, na him confirm the incident to give tori people. You no get wetin person no go hear for this world. Because say you want celebrate Christmas, now you go auction your pikin. You know kuku wait when make Anambra do their trade fair so that you go sample am there. You dem suppose give you shop. If they try you, not only you suffer for this world, suffer no dey tire you. Anyway, I don't know wetin be your reason to want to sell the pikin. If he be say na rape, if he be say you no want again, anyhow as it be. You know, I know your mama no sell you. If they say they sell you, you follow the condition where you dey. Motherless babies home dey. Even government get their own effort where they for use help you. You say not to go sell your pikin. No, you go answer and give police. Make we dey enter another story inside one family where we say their pikin name na Nike Opeifa. They don't accuse their son-in-law. Where we say na Nike husband do Abayomi. We been dey work for one hotel inside Sango area of Ogun State. Say him beat him wife sote the Nike woman by throwaway. Wonder shall never end. Report talk said the gbege bin start on Sunday when Abayomi come insist saying him wife no go attend her elder brother child dedication. Wey happen for one church inside the bar for area of the state o. In her own elder brother, no be say na friend do her own elder brother. Abayomi still come eventually allow him wife to make she attend the ceremony. After the woman don't go ceremony finish, they come back Monday morning. Now the same Abayomi come still tell am say she no go enter house. Now there the boy say take start o. The woman carry phone call her mama. Her mama call Abayomi. Abayomi finally come get in Chineke mind, open door for the woman. As the woman they enter, na him Abayomi carry beat him, begin they punch him like saying a punching bag. All the men will be say una they beat una wife. I don't know where una keep una sense before una marry. Anyway, Abayomi beat Nike finish, beat am, so te Nike die throw away. Now Abayomi carry the corpse go deposit like money inside mortuary. Drop am for mortuary. As in drop am for mortuary, family people don't wait for their pikin make it call. You know call o. Now so their niece o nephew come begin they all of them join body. Begin they shook mouth. Come they ask the baba. Say wetin happen? He come they give explanation on top. Say the woman drink poison that night. That Monday night too. When she go child dedication come back. Now she drink poison. Die throw away. He no come wake up. They say okay where the body they say the body dey mortuary. Who you tell say our pikin die? You no tell anybody. Now they could do autopsy, you know, do their mamchi, do everything what they do. They can't see reports say na beat, you know, say they beat and waiting think a beat pan for road. Even they will say waiting they beat and he pass waiting SARS. They beat Yahoo boys. The matter the police now, let the woman cuckoo rest in peace, Jerry, all this kind of marriage. If you never ready to take care of 11 years married, now be so. If you never ready to take care of person picking, why you they beat them? They think like that be your mama. They okay, even your pikin now. If to say now you they beat like that, how you want feel am? Men no make we they try to get sense so. I know say sense costly, but make we they try to get sense so. Honorable Minister of Information, anybody where they close to carry salute to give them on top say instead they react for the CNN report for the second time on top Lekki Toll Gate shooting. I bet make una they greet Honorable Minister Lai Mohammed for us. You know argue first reports. Bam. Now, he bring arguments, come on top second report. First report, then tag them say unprofessional reporting. CNN, they do unprofessional report. CNN, they do unprofessional reporting. Lai Mohammed will be professional. He can't call this second one now. Say na desperate. Say CNN, they very desperate to tarnish the image of Nigeria. On top, say Lai Mohammed say they be don't catch CNN where they spread fake news. Say this one wey they do now, they say na attempt na made it for sneak come off for the fake news allegation on top them. Now inside one interview for NTA, na Lai Mohammed do come give that accused drop CNN. CNN no CNN like CNN. They do fake reports. Okay. Honorable Lai Mohammed, would they wait for you? I beg, make you catch the video there.
CNN is grasping at straws. They are desperate. The so-called recent development, this film we just watched, we've seen it before. It's nothing but a rehash of the old CNN story. There's nothing new that has been brought out there. If anything, it contradicts the position of CNN. What we're asking CNN is, where is the evidence? Where are the bodies? The military has been consistent. They went to the toll gate. They fired blank ammunition. CNN has not been able, with all the kind of development, to contradict that position. And the issues we've raised remain very germane, which are that CNN contravened the basic principles of journalism, which is fairness and balance in the stories.
Now so the story take wow. Make una try remember say that American news agency been aired a second report of their own report as it concerned the Lekki Toge shooting plus CCTV videos from Lagos Concession Company, plus including the testimony where Brigadier General Taiwo been give say soldiers carry live bullets come the protest. Make I tell you now, plenty things just happen on top that story. Remember say army been talk say they no come there, say na hoodlums wear their uniform come. Later, someone look on the terror say na lie, say una show face. Now in the conference, someone will say okay, now someone will carry them come. Someone look on say, "Tai wallahi tallahi, me I no get power over Hami. I no get power at all. Now in the contact say okay, they come. Say they no carry live ammunition come. Now you know end there. Now the contact say finally after CNN don't publish their report to do everything now. Brigadier General Taiwo contact say they carry live ammunition come they shoot for it. After they don't watch so many videos. Anyway, make we carry ourselves come on top. I know say the truth, you go surely come. We don't know who won't lie. Whether na CNN they lie, whether na the investigative committee, judicial panel they lie, whether na Lai Mohammed they lie, I don't know. Whether na Brigadier General they lie, even federal government on top they lie. Anybody where they lie, the truth go show. Anybody wey get hand on top Abdulrasheed Maina case, begin comot am now. Village people dey nearby, begin comot am. If to say your hand dey, ask Alim Dume, he shorty, go shorty himself inside prison. He never end there. Now he don dey find means now make it for exonerate himself because in 500 million naira now dey railroad. Like they target am for real, they won't capture and put for treasury single account to make it for be money for federal government. As it be like this, the lawyer will be saying Mr. Adeola Adebi, barrister, will be say he engaged the former chairman for the defunct pension reform tax team, Abdulrasheed Maina, inside the ongoing trial of 2 billion naira money laundering. A Baba barrister don't apply to quit the case, so remember say even as Maina disappear, they still they try the case on top absentia. This one, whether you dey or you know dey, the case will continue. Now the barrister don't say the case na no go area. Say if you follow up this case, if he lose in career, now so he can't apply say make them come out for the case or say him no do again. In hand no day again no, yeah no day. You consign me, my NAS company, Common Impute Property and Investment Limited, still dey on top the case. Everything we consign me now, even in own pickings, everybody dey on top that case. You know, cause but now warning what they give. You could even tell the village people say make them come on hand for Maina case. Maina no fit run away for 2 billion naira no be suya money. You know, you said the onion they costly no consign 2 billion naira. Maina go answer for them. Alright, if you dey anywhere close to Oyo State, you go understand say true wahala no be moto. Hey, e no need fuel to start o. Ngozi as gbege wey pass gbege shook Oyo State yesterday as prison officials carry tear gas scatter Okada people wey dey always gather in front of the prison yard. Me I no come know wetin the plans of these Okada people o. Wetin dey find close to prison yard? Yes, where prisoners dey. Wetin dey find for there? Now so the gbaga boss yesterday o. Prison people say they don't warn them, say make they know they pack. You know, these Okada people, anywhere, even where the ghosts, even where spirits no fit pass, Okada man must pass them. Even where they say no just chook head, they must chook head. Now prison say make una know the cluster for here. Okada people say na lie, say they must cluster. Now in prison people don't warn them, so they no one here. Now they carry tear gas drop for them yesterday. On top the tear gas matter, we come dey hear say 2 people die throwaway on top the matter. Make una remember say never too tey na about 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 9 people, tax officials and these same Okada people, they clash 2 times. They do round 1, do round 2 inside Lagos State. Now Oyo State, we no know neighboring state where go enter again. But the matter now be say we never get the true picture of how many person will die. But make you remember say na still Nigerian Pilot Television with them. So if you won't catch us anywhere on top our website, so go begin dey follow www.nigerianpilot.news. You feel like saying na social media, I'm gonna locate them at NIG Pilot TV. As the man Vincent also na me dey drop this bege on top your side. Remember say wahala no be moto. E no need petrol to start. Bye bye.
As events unfold around us,
we give you information
in Nigeria and around the world.
We are the pilot of good information. We are Pilot TV,
connecting you to more information
as it breaks.
We are Nigerian Pilot TV.
We are Pilot TV,
connecting you to the world.